You may not feel it yet, but something incredible might already be happening inside you. In the very early days of pregnancy, life begins quietly, almost silently. A tiny cell forms the moment egg and sperm meet, and that little spark begins to grow with every passing hour. It travels softly toward your uterus, searching for a safe place to stay. And when it attaches, your baby's very first chapter begins. Your baby is unbelievably small, even smaller than a drop of water. Yet inside, a tiny heart is preparing for its very first beat. You may feel a little more sleepy, a bit emotional. Maybe your period doesn't arrive on time. These small changes are your body whispering, something beautiful is growing. Even before you know you're pregnant, your body already knows. And it starts protecting your baby with all its strength. So if you're hoping, trying, or just found out, take a moment. A new life, a new story, a new heartbeat is beginning inside you. Like this video, share it with another mom-to-be, and follow for more gentle pregnancy stories.